Good morning. This is an art video from Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute, and today I'm going to be showing you the blow painting. Let's see what we need for our blow painting. We need a plain drawing paper. We need some 4 paints, and if you can see, I have taken the lovely yellow, the lovely green, the fantastic orange, and my personal favorite, the blue. I have some water. I have the paint brushes, and I have a straw to go with my blow painting. Now first I'm going to take the yellow and put it on my drawing paper like this, and then I'm going to keep that aside. I'm going to take the green and spread it out on my drawing paper. Keep it aside. I'm going to take the orange and spread that out as well. It looks lovely on the drawing paper. I'm going to take the blue and spread that out on the drawing paper. And now I'm going to use some water on the paints. Like you can see, I'm putting some water on the blue paint. Right, I'm using some water on the blue paint, and then I'm using some water on the red paint, and then I'm using some water for the yellow paint. It's okay if the colors are mixing. I know some colors are mixing one on top of the other, which is okay. Our focus is the blow painting. Let's see how that works and how it looks at the end. And then I put some water on the orange again. Let's do our blow painting. I put the straw in my mouth and I start. I'm using the straw and blowing air into the straw and blowing that air onto the paints on the drawing paper, like you can see. If you want, you can take some more water and put it on the paints. I'm blowing again. And I'm going to take some water again on the corner paints over here, which didn't have any water. I'm blowing again. And as you can see, students, girls, this is my lovely blow painting. Thank you.